This is the Twin Triumph by McLaren. Now, McLaren was founded in 1965 by Owen McLaren, who was a test pilot and aeronautical engineer. Today, the McLaren brand represents function, style, and design. Now, the Twin Triumph weighs 21.6 pounds, which is very lightweight for a double stroller, but can hold a child from birth all the way up to 55 pounds in each seat. The Twin Triumph comes with all the design and style that you'd expect from a McLaren product, including stylish wheels, a colorful harness, as well as an additional style of harness, and a reversible seat liner. Packed with features, the Twin Triumph comes with front wheels that either swivel or can be locked in the fixed position, a 5-point harness with 3 different harness positions, and a comfortable seat pad. The Twin Triumph includes 2 large storage baskets, as well as a very unique braking system. Simply push the brake to the side and the wheels lock. Also included are 2 full canopies with peekaboo window and pockets on both canopies. Each seat has 2 positions, upright as shown here. To recline, simply unclip the back and push down on the seat. The fabric on the Twin Triumph is removable and washable, and the stroller also includes very comfortable foam handles. The Twin Triumph folds very easily. To fold it, simply compress the canopies, pull up on the back of each seat, and down on the side lever. The stroller will then fold, lock into place, and includes a carry handle for easy traveling. As we mentioned earlier, the Twin Triumph comes with 2 additional harnesses in different styles, reversible seat liners so you can customize the stroller look as you'd like, as well as